Nana, you wanted the chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking? A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the saucy chef. Today I'm going to be making cheeseburger spaghetti. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 pound of ground beef, 1 cup of beef broth, 12 ounces of spaghetti. I'm using thin spaghetti, 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese, 1 small onion diced, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard, and 1/4 cup of ketchup. To a pot of salted boiling water, we're going to add in our 12 ounces of spaghetti. And we're going to let that cook until it's al dente. In a heated saucepan, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I'm going to let that come to temperature. Now I'm going to add in my onions. I'm going to saute that for 2 minutes. Now you want to add in your 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. I'm going to let that saute for 1 minute. Now we're going to add in our ground beef. I'm going to go ahead and break it down and make sure it's mixed well with our onion and garlic. Now we're going to let it continue to cook until it's brown all the way through. Once your spaghetti is done cooking, you want to go ahead and reserve 1/2 cup of your pasta water and drain the rest of it. And we're going to set our spaghetti to the side. Once your ground beef is done cooking, you want to go ahead and drain it of all excess grease. Now we're going to go ahead and add in our ketchup, onion powder, ground black pepper, our mustard. We're also going to add in our beef broth. We're going to go ahead and mix that until it's well combined. I'm going to add in my 1/2 cup of pasta water. We're going to mix that again until it's well combined. We're going to let that simmer for 5 minutes. Okay guys, as you can see, our sauce has thickened up. So now we're going to add 1 cup of our shredded cheese in. And we're going to let that melt. And go ahead and mix it until it's well combined and melted. Okay guys, once it's nice and melted, we're going to go ahead and start adding our spaghetti. Now what we're going to do is go ahead and mix it around in our sauce. I'm going to make sure it's nice and coated. Okay guys, now you can go ahead and sprinkle some of your leftover cheese over top, and we're going to let that melt. You can put your heat on low. Okay guys, look how delicious this looks. Okay guys, so here we have it, our cheeseburger spaghetti. This is a very budget-friendly meal and your whole family will enjoy it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Y'all hungry yet? Y'all hungry yet? Come back real soon. I got more to serve. Y'all
See you
hungry
next
yet?
time. Bye.